This is the high-tech, all-electric Genesis GV60. Available on the GV60 performance trim, Genesis Digital Key allows the GV60 to be unlocked, locked, and driven with a compatible iPhone, Apple Watch, or Samsung phone. Genesis Digital Key is compatible with most near-field communication or NFC-enabled iPhones or Samsung devices. To check the compatibility of your mobile phone, visit the owners.genesis.com website. Start by searching for Genesis Intelligent Assistant in either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download. Make sure to sign up for Genesis Connected Services to begin using this convenient feature. To use Genesis Digital Key, make sure that both Bluetooth and NFC are enabled on your phone and that it has already been registered to your GV60. For more information on registering Genesis Digital Key to your GV60, watch our how-to video here. By using Digital Key, drivers can lock and unlock the front doors by simply touching their smartphone to the door handle for 2 seconds. For devices that support ultra-wideband and Bluetooth Low Energy, you only need to ensure your smartphone or Apple Watch is located in the vehicle to start and drive. If your device only supports NFC, you must place the registered smartphone device on the wireless phone charger. Hold down the brake pedal and press the Start/Stop button. For devices with UWB and BLE, Genesis Digital Key also allows certain remote functions when outside the vehicle. To connect, first open Apple Wallet or Samsung Pass on your device and select the key of the vehicle you would like to remotely control. Approach the vehicle with the mobile phone or Apple Watch and it will automatically connect. If you are outside of Bluetooth range, we recommend using the Genesis app to send remote commands. From your smartphone, you can lock or unlock doors, panic on or off, and activate climate. By selecting any of these functions, the icon should either become highlighted or an audible beep with vibration should take place. This is to let you know that the requested function is being performed. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.